agad. Daw, nagmamadali nga dito. And
defense here of the Panthers, and that 1-2 layup.
a good block of the play for the Panthers. From the transition, 2 points basket.